Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce your FIRMERST Waterproof lamp holder with an E14 socket with a cable on top. And this is an outdoor version of it with a 4.5 meter cable. It's also available with 2.5 and 10 meter. It's available in black and white on the market. And the IP44 waterproof label brings us a lot. This lamp holder with rubber cable for indoor and outdoor use, we do not have to worry about the moisture or bad weather. We have one E14 lamp holder with a rubber cable and a plug. 4.5 meter long supply cable for a longer distance to the power source. The cable type is an H05RN-F. The conductor cross section is 1 millimeter in square. The lamp voltage is go up to 230 volt AC. Maximum power of the lamps is 15 watts. And the color is white or black. We have a reliable H05RN-F rubber cable. It offers an excellent weather resistance, cold resistant, excellent electrical insulation, and a chemical resistance too. So it can be all used reliable and stable in everyday life. And eliminates the outdoor area. Yeah, the rubber wire can be used on the terrace, in a gazebo, at the parties, at a camping site, and so on. This lamp holder can only use an E14 bulbs with a voltage range from 220 to 240 volt. It's not suitable for low voltage bulbs, of course. You can install there a G55, a C35, a B35, a R50, a 60, T20, T25, C7, and a B10. Yeah, these all bulbs are compatible with the A14 socket. Yeah, waterproof lamp holder with E14 cable. All waterproof, flame retardant, UV resistant, outdoor and indoor. We have a rubber cable. This offers an advantage in a lamp socket. They allows us easy installation due to the flexibility and durability, while their insulation property reduced electrical risks, and those ensures a safer operation of the lamp socket. And it's compatible with the E14 bulb types. And designed for a terrace. It is durable and weatherproof, providing reliable outdoor lighting for relaxing evenings or lively gatherings too. You can choose. Designed for the scaling. Its robust construction ensures durability in shared environments, while the uncomplicated installation improves the visibility of our workspace. And it's good for the pergola. The E14 lamp holder blends seamlessly into our outdoor environments, creating an inviting atmosphere for gatherings or moments of the relaxing. And of course, it's good for the terrace. In a durable and weatherproof, providing reliable outdoor lighting for every area in our garden site. Really easy, really cool to attach this, to use this. This all is the FIRMERST Waterproof lamp holder with an E14 socket with a cable which can be up to 10 meter long. In my case, it's a 4.5 meter version. And it is available on the market, not only in white, it's also in black available. So you can choose what you prefer and then have fun with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.